In this video, I'm going to show you how to open the Steam Top Sellers page in just a few seconds. This is a super simple method, but it's really useful if you want to see what games are trending, what's popular right now, or if you just want to browse the best-selling titles on Steam without hunting through menus. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software and app guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the Steam store. You can type in store.steampowered.com and press enter, or simply click the Steam store link if you already have it saved. Once the Steam store loads, look at the top menu bar. You should see several options across the top of the page, and the one you need here is Browse. Move your cursor over Browse to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, click Top Sellers. As soon as you do that, Steam will take you straight to the Top Sellers page. This page shows you the most popular and best-selling games on Steam, which is perfect if you want to discover new releases, compare what's trending, or see what other players are buying the most. From here, you can scroll down and browse through the list of top-selling games. You can click on any game to view more details, check the price, read reviews, or add it to your wishlist or cart if you want. It's a really fast way to explore Steam's most purchased titles without needing to search manually, and that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to open the Steam Top Sellers page. It only takes a moment once you know where to look. And now you can get there anytime you want with no confusion. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.